Man, Rosie, take good morning.
Get it back, Green.
Nice, Lily.
Yeah, challenge the top, good girl.
Nice, Ella Ruben. Rebound, Chris. Let's go, T1. Break it.
Good job, T1.
Jill's got sunscreen on.
Hope so.
Go, T1.
Let's go, Green.
Beautiful.
Get it back, Green.
Yours?
Yes. Got it.
No.
Get it back.
Got 3-0.
Get it back.
Back, Lily.
We did a bit of deja vu from yesterday.
Let's go, Green. Let's go.
Oh, they're just 2 seconds faster on the passes and everything.
Up and in. Nice!
Let's go, Green.
Go, T1, break it! Nice! Keep going! Nice! Hard on T! Nice, Lily! Nice, Kayla! Forward!
Up, Green.
We go back and they quarter to this.
Oh, yeah.
In!
Our girls don't have mongrel in them in general though, and that's just, they got warned they were going to play against competitive girls.
Come on, Green. Rebound. Get it back.
Yes.
Let's go,
Good pressure, defenders. Well done. Work hard. Ella's got a good battle on her hands. Go, Billy! Go, Billy! Lily. Oh, no.
Get it back, Green. Get it back.
Over it, Kayla, over it! Find your player! Nice looking! Go, Ella!
breaking.
Go Green,
Nice,
let's
good
go.
ball.
Oh, casual, too casual. Yeah, but Isla shouldn't touch it then. As soon as she's touched it, it's played.
Stay on the air, Anna, stay there.
Rebound!
Oh, go, Kayla. Nice.
Well read.
But Billy steps in. And that's why she should never do that. She needs to get out of that habit.
Get it back, Green.
Go, Kayla. Go, Kayla.
In front of
Get
Alice.
there, honey.
In front.
Oh, again. Use it, Green. Use it.
Nice. Good looking, good looking.
They have to go in.
Go, go, go. Step for them, girls. Step, step.
Yes!
Oh, nice work.
Good work.
No shooters in the circle.
Hold it, Alice. Hold it here. Nice.
Yay!
Go Green.
Go, T1. Let's go. Have a seat, girls.
Oh, cool, I'll make it.
Oh,
Look in.
Down the court,
and they've had the more chances at shot a goal. Good morning.
Gotta get a minute.
Keep in front of her. Watch, Alice.
Eyes up, eyes up.
Go.
Almost. Go in.
Nice, Billy.
The cruiser.
In the painting.
Oh, yeah. You get in trouble?
Nice, Alice.
Oh.
Oh,
Pick up that wing attack.
Oh, was
and
it?
that's your fault.
It was Dad's fault.
They sit on deck. Where's Alice?
Fish and chips.
Oh.
The fish was alright.
Is that what Michael caught?
Yeah.
Oh, was it?
Turkey and snapper.
Hey, come down, Alice. Come down, Kayla. Get them bring it down. Drive, drive.
Did they catch me?
Yeah, he was quite good.
Yeah.
He was quite good.
Yeah.
Oh, unlucky, Kayla.
Hard luck. Go, Isla. Good girl. And again. Good hustle. Keep it up. Put the pressure on.
In front, Alice.
That centre with a shoelace. Oh, donker on the head to boot.
You found the place all right, or had you been there before?
Oh, they couldn't do it.
They good to go?
Now,
Go Green.
be an option, attackers.
Get in front.
Nah.
What's that?
Are they coming in to watch?
Yeah. Oh, they were going to come in for this game, but then they like hit 5-9.
Drive the right line.
Wasn't he going to the fight?
Go, Alice.
No, remember, Ducky said he was watching it with Stu, Disco Stu.
Yeah. He's meant to be going up the road to watch it with someone.
Come on, guys, look after those passes. Good deal, Kahu. Ah, no.
Go green!
Drive, drive! No, drive, keep going.
Get out of there.
Clean up, Singles.
Replayed.
Nice, Chloe.
Get back green! Right, good
Nice,
work.
Chloe.
Get it back green!
It's too easy. Push her out of the way.
Right, no goal, Tilly,
Come on, Drew! Oh, that'd make that about 7-2. Better straight one.
Yes, we are ready! Yes, we are ready!
Let's go, green!
Take it in, girls. Go, run. Drive again, Caleb.
Where they got the new wing attack on?
Woo! Good start.
Let's go, green!
Strike it.
She was goal attack yesterday and then the shots went in. Got her mum for them.
Keep her up, keep her up. Nice.
Look down the court, love. Oh, yeah. The passes haven't got any better.
After you can touch Brownie. Hey, put it on your back now, on your back. Put it on your back.
Nice. Look at the goal, for goodness sakes. You're not going to get the goal in if you're not looking at it. Good rebound. Serve, Billy. And again, Kauai, break this one. Ella, change direction.
Come on that side.
Get out of it, miss. Go.
Be an option.
Fred, come on for it.
Look, look.
Get it back, Brandon.
Come in for it.
That stupid back pass.
Keep moving.
They're just not, none of their goals, none of the shooters are just doing any good at all this whole time. Oh, that bounce pass never works. It's a turnover every time. Come on, Green.
Let's go, Green. Let's go. Get it back, Green.
Yours, Lily.
Nice,
Look after it.
Down the court, Taylor. Down.
It's the worst option.
Down, Kayla. Drive that front space, Kayla. Nice, Jamaica.
Good work, Green.
Throw that with move, shooters! God, they're both on the same side. No one's through.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
They don't want to shoot. None of them go in.
Good
Yeah.
Pick it up, boy.
Nice back up, Ella Ruby.
Oh, that looks
Go to the other side.
a bit dumb.
Shoot it!
Replay. Never works.
Only works on TV.
No.
Get it back, Green. Get it
I
back.
hate bounce passes anyway. Too slow.
Oh, yeah. Great shot.
How you trying to shoot it?
Turn and shoot, eh, Rosie? Turn and shoot.
Cross court pass. Desperate. Go, Lily. Beautiful.
Get it back, Green.
Beautiful. Nice cut and drive.
Hey. That's 12-5. Let's go, Green.
Keep moving, girls. That's it. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Put it up.
Up and in.
Yeah. Good work, Green.
Nice hustle, Taylor. Go, Taylor.
Good tip. Good tip.
Very nice. Good reading. Watch the ball.
Get it back, Green.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Who's that, girls? Get your line. Go.
Drop. Change direction.
Come on.
On day, on day. Oh, nice, Ella Ruben.
Use it, Green.
Go forward, Green. Make it count. Forward.
Drive.
Shoot it!
Yeah, good work.
And again, Kawhi.
Keep it up, Green.
Nice try, Mia. Nice, Lily. Good hold. Go, girls. Get up. Get up. Back it up. Back it up. Pull it. Nice. Timing. Pull that
your
timing.
lines.
Who's got the next one?
You go, go, go!
Drive. Throw it.
On the ring, Meg. On the ring.
Hold it, Taylor. Hold it.
You won't get it. That's just luck.
Yeah.
Be an option.
Jeez. And again, Green.
Nice.
Get it back.
Yours, Lily.
Nice.
Keep it up. Keep it up. 40 seconds. Good day.
Nice, Lily.
Go, Mia. Oh. Woo. Take that.
Go back now, go back.
Drive, girls, drive. Yes, good girl, Mia. Good hustle. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Hold it. Talk to each other. Who's got who? Where's the line?
There it is.
Nice work, James.
Great game.